What is commodity trading? And what do you need to know before starting it? In a stock exchange, investors buy and sell shares. In a commodities market, people buy and sell everything from crude oil to gold to cattle to coffee. आप दो किस्म के commodities trade कर सकते हैं, including hard commodities like natural resources or soft commodities like animals, agricultural items. Many savvy investors are now using commodities to diversify their portfolio. Commodities trading takes place on commodity exchanges such as the Multi-Commodity Exchange of India (MCX) and the National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited (NCDEX). India में commodities contracts include spot, futures and options contracts. While trades and settlements occur on the spot and spot contracts, futures and options allow traders to trade on future prices. Commodities can be categorized into four groups. First, metal commodities like gold, silver, platinum, and copper. Second, energy commodities such as crude oil, gasoline, and natural gas. Third, meat commodities such as live cattle, pork bellies, lean hogs, and feeder cattle. Fourth, agricultural commodities like soybean, corn, cocoa, coffee, wheat, rice, cotton, and sugar. अब आप commodities के बारे में जान गए हैं. So now let's go over some basic information you might need to know before you start trading. पहली बात यह है कि commodity prices follow cyclical patterns which are determined by universal economic laws of demand and supply, financial markets, and the geopolitical context. As a trader, you must identify opportunities based on the commodity cycle while also keeping an eye out for black swan events in the world, like pandemics and wars. These can provide you with new opportunities or result in significant losses. For instance, nobody predicted the neon gas rates would rise when the Russia-Ukraine war began. दूसरी बात यह है कि the commodity market is operational from 9 a.m. to 11:55 p.m. IST because this period is deliberately protracted. You will need to work more hours to get the best bargain out of the commodity trading. As most people cannot trade during the office time, they can simply take advantage of the post office hours. Thirdly, commodity prices are controlled by demand and supply. As a result, certain occurrences, especially local, may not affect stock prices, but can significantly impact commodity prices. जैसे कि floods may not influence stocks, but can affect commodity prices, particularly agricultural commodities. Lastly, commodity trading can be highly volatile at times, so you should consistently monitor your position, especially during extraordinary conditions such as a pandemic or a war. If you are new to commodities, take your time to understand how the market operates and avoid over-leveraging yourself. याद रखना कि commodity prices might fluctuate due to changes in market conditions, as well as in consumer and production trends. If you want to start trading, you will need to open a commodities trading account. So call your stockbroker now and they will guide you through the process.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.